Hi everyone, today we're going to learn a bit more about multiplication, and this week it's going to be about how to use multiplication in real life. So we're going to start off with our first question. So, Andre has 3 bags, and in each bag there are 5 marbles. How many marbles does Andre have in total? So, to start to figure out how we can answer this question, we need to take the important parts out. So, usually numbers are going to be very important in math. So we know that 3 bags is important, 5 marbles is important, and the word in total is important because that lets us know that we need to find a number that's going to be bigger than 5 or 3. But if we remember, that's a word we see often in word questions with addition to. So when you see the word on to, you don't know if it's going to be addition or multiplication. So let's draw it out. Here I've drawn 3 bags, and then I'll add 5 marbles to each bag. So we can use addition, 5 plus 5 plus 5, because 5 marbles in this bag, 5 marbles in this bag, and 5 marbles in this bag. But that's a repeated addition, and we know that a repeated addition can be turned into a multiplication question. So it's 3 times 5, because we have 3 groups of 5, 3 bags, and in each bag there are 5 marbles. And because we've been studying multiplication for a few weeks now, we already know that 3 times 5 equals 15. But we don't want to just write 15 because the question was in words. So we want to write our answer in words. So we would write, Andre has 15 marbles in total. Let's look at another example. Marianne walks 3 kilometers each day. How many kilometers did she walk after 4 days? So let's start by taking out the important parts of the question. Again, we know the numbers are always going to be important in a math question. So we have 3 kilometers, 4 days, and in total. Again, in total could be addition or multiplication. So let's draw it out. We have day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 because we want to know how many kilometers she walked in 4 days. And each day she walked 3 kilometers. So I added 3 kilometers to each day. Now, we could just add those together. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And that's a repeated addition. We know again that repeated addition can be turned into a multiplication question. 4 times 3, because it's 4 groups of 3. 4 days, and each day she walked 3 kilometers. Again, because we've been studying multiplication for a while, we know that 4 times 3 equals 12. But we want to write that answer in words. So we would write, Marianne walked 12 kilometers in total. Magnificent! You've completed today's lesson.